Hello everyone, my name is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's just jump right into the video.
Let me be a woman.
So this video is going to be I don't want to say a makeup tutorial because I am nowhere, shape or form am I a makeup artist. I am still a beginner, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys how I do my own makeup. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, please feel free to leave them in my comment section. All right, let's just jump right into it. All right, so I already primed my face with, it's called Makeover Essentials. I got this primer years ago. I was using the MAC primer, but I found this in I don't know if everyone has this. It's kind of like a bin of makeup you haven't used in a while, so you just throw it in there, and whenever you run out of something, you just look in there to see if you have an extra primer. This was it. So I started using this and it's really awesome. It's clear. It's kind of sticky, kind of, not too sticky or whatever. I know the more sticky the better so that your makeup can stick. Honestly, Makeover Essentials are probably I ain't sold that in so long. That's how long I had it. If I could find it online or anything similar to it, I'll link it in my description. But yeah, this is a very old primer. But yeah, I primed my face. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So from this point on, I'm not gonna say anything. You guys are just gonna see me do my makeup because I'm not good at talking, and then I'll start cussing and it's not a good look. My battery's dying. Hold it. All right, you guys. I apologize. I had to switch cameras. My other camera died. Let's get right back into it. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Because my other camera died as well, I ended up filming off camera, putting on my lashes. I forget where these lashes are from. I believe they're just from a beauty supply store. So for my lip liner, I use this concealer from NYX, and it's in the shade Deep Espresso. So I just align my lips, and then I use this lip gloss, which is the NYX Butter Gloss, and the color is Praline. But yeah, this is how I do my makeup. It's nothing fancy. I am still learning, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. All the products I use, I'll have it linked in the description. And if there's anything you guys that I didn't link and you guys want to know what I used or whatever, please let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures. Make sure you follow my Instagram to see any updated new pictures of me, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman.